Oh, sir. Well, I don't know whom to believe now, sir. Should I believe the Honourable Minister's reply? Or should I believe the sanction order that I have in my mobile, which I got from the Ministry of Home Affairs, sir? So the Ministry of Home Affairs have already released the sanction on the 13th of May 2021, sir. It's surprising that the Honourable Minister is not aware about it, or is he trying to mislead the House, sir? So the sanction was issued on 13th May 2021, and the works to the tune of rupees 15.66 crores have been sanctioned for 2021, sir. Can I have a reply to this from the Minister?
It is not my intention to mislead the House, not honourable member. That is point number one. Point number two, the honourable member is misread the approval letter as a sanction letter. Yes, scheme have been approved for 2021-22 for the amount of 15.66 crore. But that is approval. The sanction, they have not released the amount to the state government till date. That's why I have said that it has not been sanctioned, sir.
So exactly, sir. Now I come to the next question. Why has this money not been released, sir? That is the question. There is a reason to that. Though the schemes have been approved, sir. So last year we missed the whole year, 2021, we never got one single project on the border area. Again this year, 2021-22, what the union government did, they have just approved, but they have not released the money. May we know the reason why this money has not been released?
Sir, in the month of July, I have a meeting with the Ministry of Home Affairs, requesting them that since approval have been given, so the amount should be released immediately. And they have assured me that they will release in due course of time. So, and last month, again, I communicate with them. So they told me that the reason is that now when as we know, that all the central scheme is being implemented through PFMS. So there is some unspent balance in our account. That's why they need the UC for the full amount. And as we know, sir, that during this 1.5 years, many of the projects have been sanctioned, many of projects have been delayed. Delayed due to the cause of this COVID situation happened. And moreover, sir, most of the border area, in the border area, we know that how the monsoon play havoc with the day-to-day activities. So it's not possible for the people to start the work immediately. And it's not possible for the officer concerned that just to have the UC release the amount, even if the work have not been completed. So the officer of the border area department have very cautious in releasing the money. That's why, since there is some unspent balance, the ministry said that you first utilize that amount, then only we will release this next sanction.
Honourable Speaker, sir.
Yes,
monsoon is not new, sir. This monsoon we have been having throughout the years, and every monsoon our officers know when to utilize the money. Honourable Minister cannot give the reason for not releasing the money because of monsoon. May I know from the Minister how much is the unspent balance that is in the kitty of the department till now?
The unspent balance, exact amount it have me is around 15 crores.
It is wrong, sir. It is 31.06 crores, sir. It is wrong. 31.06 crores is the unspent balance for 2019-20. Here again, the Minister is again not giving us the correct answer.
Sir, the record which he have, it is 3 months back, sir, not yesterday, sir.
Sir, it's here. I can print out this and give it to him right away, sir. It's come from the ministry that the unspent balance with the government of India, or with the government of Meghalaya, is 31.06 crores as on 2019-20, sir. So how can the minister say that, sir? Sir, may I ask one more question? Because I know he cannot reply to me on that unspent balance, sir.